Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. We are here today for my shower routine. So we're just gonna go ahead and set the vibes and get right into the video. Okay, so when I first get in the shower, I go ahead and I wet my whole body, as should you. Okay, so next I go in with my Earth Therapeutics Charcoal Exfoliating Scrub. You guys, this scrub literally is the best scrub ever. You know what? I'm gonna take that back because I got another one for y'all. But this scrub is great. It leaves my skin refreshed and it opens my pores. And it deep cleanses the skin as well. So you guys, make sure you guys pick this up. I love this product. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I literally put it everywhere and I just rinse it off. So next we're going in with my Dove antibacterial body wash. Y'all, this is new, and I literally love it. I love all my products, but you know, they're my products for a reason. Then I'm just going in with my Eco Tools exfoliating washcloth. Y'all, pick this up now or get something like this. I know they have some on Targrt, but y'all, you need to get this. I don't use wash rags or anything else. This is all I use. I'm a double cleanse type of girl, so after I go in with my antibacterial, I usually go in with my Smell Good, and today I'm using my Love Beauty and Planet in coconut water and mimosa, and y'all, this smells so good. I usually go in with this or my native charcoal. They both leave my body feeling great and they smell great. You guys should definitely try them out. Baby, let me tell you about this beaut right here. This is my foot detox brush. I will make sure I put the link in the description box. You guys want soft feet. I know a lot of people do not pay attention to your feet, but your feet matters. Next, it's time for me to wash my homegirl. So I go in with my honey pot. Y'all, if you guys are not using honey pot, I feel like you guys should at least try them out. It's only 3 products and it's for a woman, made by women. I picked it up last summer and I have not used anything but honey pot since then. So next, I go in with my Way Scalp and Body Scrub. This is a coconut oil based scrub and it leaves my body feeling so moisturized after putting all those products on it. I literally put it everywhere, my feet, stomach, back, arms, everywhere. The one thing that I do like about the products I use, it does not feel like it's stripping away the moisture all the way from my skin. I still feel clean, but I have very dry skin and I don't like feeling dry. So all the products I use definitely moisturize your skin, especially the Dove. So now we're out the shower. I'm just gonna go put on my robe and we're gonna get into moisturizing. So I'm going in with my Body Shop Shea Body Butter. Y'all, I just picked this up randomly one day and it makes my skin feel so good. Next, I go in with my Flamingo Deep Nourishing Cream. You guys, I've had this product since May. Literally May of this year. You guys need to get it. It's like a whip cream, but it leaves my skin feeling so moisturized and nourished. Y'all, Flamingo, that is a brand that y'all been sleeping on. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Body Oil just to lock in all the moisture. You go in with your moisturizers first, oil last, just to seal everything. You guys, you see how this looks on my skin. You guys see the skin. You see the skin. Don't play with me. Then I go on my Dolce & Gabbana light blue perfume and I did put on some deodorant, but yeah, that's it, you guys. Super simple, super easy. Couple of steps. That's it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.